This document was created in Word using the Microsoft Equation Editor. And just like the other one, I'm going to go ahead and read this with the narrator that's available. So this would be Windows Narrator. So I'm going to turn that on.
Start narrator dialog. OK. Button. Narrator heading level 1. Welcome to narrator. Task switcher. Problem set 1. Word window. Problem set 1. Editing. R. Cap. Enter list. 1 of 3 level. Exit list. Problem set number 1. Enter list. 1 of 3 level 1. 1. Solve the equation. 3x plus 4 equals 2 open paren 3 minus 2x close paren. 2 of 3 level 1. 2. Make a table of values for 4x minus 2y equals 8, space, 4x minus 2y equals 8. 3 of 3 level 1, 3. State the slope and y-intercept for y equals minus 2/3, x plus 4, space, y equals minus 2/3 plus 4.
So you can see there was a little bit of a glitch on that last one when it did the second read-through. I'm actually not sure why it always does 2 read-throughs of these equations, but you can see it did it on this one as well.
2 of 3 level 1, 2. Make a table of values for 4x minus 2y equals 8, space, 4x minus 2y equals 8.
So all the equations are being read twice, and the second run-through, when there's something a little bit more tricky in it, doesn't seem to work quite the same as the first run-through, which is more accurate. You can see again by reading this one.
3 of 3 level 1, 3. State the slope and y-intercept for y equals minus 2/3, x plus 4, space, y equals minus 2/3 plus 4.
The x and y got left off of it in the second read-through. But Microsoft Narrator is doing a fair job of reading the document with math equations in it. This is a PDF version of the Word document with problem set 1 and 3 math equations. In Adobe Acrobat, you need to use the Read Out Loud feature, which is under View, Read Out Loud, Activate Read Out Loud, or Shift-Control-Y. Let's turn that on.
Problem set number 1.
I think we need to actually do View, Read Out Loud, read this page.
Problem set number 1. 1. Solve the equation, 3 plus 4 equals 2, 3, 2. 2. Make a table of values for 4, 2 equals 8. 3. State the slope and y-intercept for equals 2, 3 plus 4.
You can see that none of the x values are being read in these equations, which is why using a PDF version for a student who has accessibility needs that are vision related is probably not a good idea. I actually cannot for the life of me figure out how to navigate through these Blackboard pages using the Microsoft Narrator. So I'm going to assume I could actually find the page as a student who is vision impaired. I'm going to go ahead and turn on Narrator now.
Start narrator dialog. OK. Button. Alt plus O. Heads up. Course content. Google Chrome pane. Narrator heading level 1. Course content. Google Chrome pane. 8. Link. Link. Link.
I can never
link.
seem to get out of these
888
side
Jefferson
menus
T3 online link, math, and graphs online. Problem set number 1, 888 link. Link. Cap current student
I still can't get out of these menus to the page, but let's assume I get to the page.
Link, settings link, 888 Jefferson T3 online course delivery link, modules link, math, and graphs on 4 of 4, problem set number 1. 4x minus 2y equals 8 image, selected. 2. Make a table of values for.
Okay, so I'm in the right place now. I have no idea how I got there. But let's go ahead and use the
Image 2. Make a table of values for problem set number 1.
That was a right arrow that jumped me up to the top.
Space unselected. A. Space. Image 3x plus 4 equals 2 open parenthesis 3 minus 2x 1. Solve the equation. Problem set number 1. 1. Solve the equation. Image 3x plus 4
Okay, so I'm
equals
using downs
2
to
open
navigate
parenthesis 3 minus 2x close parenthesis. To make a table of values for,
and then down arrow.
Image 4x minus 2y equals 8.
So that's reading okay. Down arrow. Down
3.
arrow.
State the slope and y-intercept for,
Down arrow.
Image y equals negative 2 over 3x minus 4.
Okay, so that one's kind of so-so because you can't tell if the x is outside or inside the denominator. But it's not horrible. The only horrible part is actually figuring out how to navigate through Blackboard to get to this pane, which is painful. So that's how it reads in Blackboard using the Blackboard equation editor.